Hi guys, I'm Cynthia Vera from CynthiaVeraBakes.com, and today I'm going to be making a fun birthday cake for toddlers. But this isn't just any birthday cake, it is a fun baby shark cake. The cake is a chocolate cake with American buttercream frosting, then decorated with colored fondant. The chocolate cake I used as the base for this cake is from our previous video. You can find a link for the chocolate cake recipe in the upper right corner of the video or down in the description below. As always, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming cake decorating videos. Alright, let's get going on this baby shark cake. To start off, I've already baked my chocolate cake in a 12 by 12 inch pan. Then I just filled my cake with buttercream icing. Here, I printed out a baby shark template to help me shape the cake. Then I begin slowly cutting the cake using the outline of the baby shark cutout. Don't worry about all the leftover cake that we're trimming off. We will be using all of it to make more baby shark themed cake pops, and I will link that video in the description below. For the parts that doesn't fit in the cake like the fins, just cut them out and place them in a different part of the cake to be cut out. Then we will just stick it back into its proper place using more buttercream frosting. After you're done cutting the cake into a baby shark shape, try your best to clean up the sides of your cake board using a damp paper towel. Then we are ready to ice and crumb coat the cake. Here I'm using my buttercream icing to crumb coat the cake. Try your best to cover the entire cake, especially the weird small corners in between the fins. After we cover the entire cake, it's time to chill it for a few minutes, then we will cover it again with more buttercream frosting. Make sure to smooth out the buttercream as much as you can. Then chill again one last time. While the cake is chilling, let's start coloring our fondant. Here, I'll be using a lemon yellow food gel on the fondant. Then I colored a few small fondant into brown for the nose, orange for the tongue, red for the mouth, and black for the eyes. First, roll out the yellow fondant to cover the entire cake. Trim the excess fondant and smooth out the top and the sides. After the entire cake has been covered, roll out the white fondant to cut out the white part of baby shark. Cut out the part that you want to trace to make sure everything is still in proportion. After cutting out the white part, I'm gonna begin outlining and cutting the rest of the mouth. I'll be using the red fondant for the mouth, the orange fondant for the tongue, and more white fondant for the teeth. For the ice, I've rolled out the white fondant and the black fondant and then placed them in the cake. When you've placed everything in its proper place, you can stick them using a little bit of water applied by a paintbrush. Cut out more white fondant for baby shark's belly. Then finally, I just rolled out 2 really small brown fondant for his nose. Now that baby shark is all put together, we're gonna clean up the sides of the cake using turquoise colored buttercream frosting. I'm piping it using a star tip and just outline the cake with it to resemble waves or water. This will greatly help cover the imperfections on the side, especially the part between the fins. Then we're just gonna smear the rest of the turquoise buttercream in the entire cake board to make him look like he's underwater. To add to the underwater look, we're gonna mold a few fish friends using these molds. I will link this mold in the description below so you'll know where to find one. I pretty much just used all the leftover fondant to mold the little fish friends. Then I just brushed them with edible gold glitter and dotted the eye with edible markers. Place all the fondant fish friends around the cake and that's it! That's our cute baby shark cake. Well guys, that's it for decorating this fun baby shark cake. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss my next videos. Also, if you want to see more cake decorating videos, just click the playlist on the screen. See you next time!